Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will show you how to fix this copy of Microsoft Office is not activated message in Microsoft Office 2025. So let's jump in. First of all, you have to update Microsoft Office. Open any Office app like the Word, Excel. Then you have to click on File. Then you have to go to Account. Under product information, select update options, then tap on update now, and then you have to run Office as an administrator. Close all Office programs. You have to press the start button and type an Office app name like Word. Right click it and choose run as an administrator. If prompted, select yes. Try activating Office again by going to file, account, then activate product. Check UAC settings, press Windows plus R, type control panel and press enter. Go to user accounts, change user account control settings, move the slider to never notify, then click OK. Restart your computer and try activating Office again. Remember to set UAC back to its original level after activation. You have to verify system date and time. Right click and clock in the taskbar, select adjust and adjust time. Make sure the date, time and time zones are correctly interrupted. Enable set time automatically if it's not already on. Then you have to restart your computer and activate Office again. Look for multiple versions of Microsoft Office. If you see any duplicates, right click the older or trial version and choose uninstall. Restart your computer and try activating again. Repair the Office installation, press Windows plus R, then type appwise.cpl and press enter. Find Microsoft Office in the list, right click it and choose change, select repair, then follow the on-screen instructions. Now restart your computer once repair is done. Try activating Office again. If it works, immediately re-enable your antivirus and firewall. Now update Windows, press the start button, type check for updates and press enter. So that's it. If this video is helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more. See you in the next video.